Ever wondered how you can pull off a real-time face swap or create customized videos with just a single image? Well, the wait is over. Introducing LiveCam, the cutting-edge tool that lets you swap faces in real time, whether it's from an image, video, or even a live camera feed. And it's as simple as a single click. With LiveCam, you can seamlessly switch faces in multiple ways, image to image. Just upload 2 images and watch the magic happen. Image to video. Upload any video, select an image, and swap faces effortlessly. Live camera feed. Stream in real time while switching between faces on the fly. Whether it's for fun or professional use, LiveCam offers unmatched ease and flexibility. Want to work with multiple faces? No problem. LiveCam supports swapping faces between several people at once, whether in images or live video feeds. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're creating content or just want to have some fun, LiveCam brings real-time face swapping to your fingertips. No advanced setup needed.
So let's start with the installation. We will follow the steps that are mentioned in the repository. So we'll start by cloning the repository. For that, you can copy the URL, navigate to the folder where you want to install, type cmd in the address bar and press enter. Now use the command git clone and paste the URL. Press enter and it will start the cloning. Make sure you have some prerequisites installed. So in terms of basic installation, so this is the requirements. So make sure you have Python 3.10, pip git, FFmpeg, and Visual Studio 2022 runtimes installed. So we have already started the process of cloning the repository. Next, we need to navigate inside the clone folder. So cd and deep-live_cam. Press enter. Now we will start by creating the virtual environment, the command for which is python -m venv venv. Once the virtual environment is created, use venv/scripts/activate command to activate the virtual environment. Now we will install the dependencies. For that, copy the command mentioned in step 4, paste and press enter. Now while this installation is in progress, we will download the following models. So these needs to go in models folder. So here we have to download. So we'll first download the JFPGAN and save it in the models folder. Next, we will download InSwapper in the same folder. Now let's wait for the requirements to install. Now once the installation is finished, I will run a command piplist just to see if 3 packages installed correctly or not. There is an additional step which is mentioned here, which asks you to achieve GPU acceleration, you need to first uninstall these 2 packages and then install ONX runtime GPU. So I want to check if it is already installed. So ONX runtime GPU is installed 1.16.3, and whether Torch is installed with CUDA drivers. Yes, both are installed with CUDA drivers. Now, after completing this step, I faced one issue which I logged here, but I found the solution to that. So what was happening when I was trying to launch the Gradio based UI, it was the UI of the application, it was coming with transparent window. So to solve that, you can use this command, force install. One of the packages need to be reinstalled. So just copy paste this command. I will provide the link to this thread in the video description. Now, each time you want to launch this tool, open command prompt from within the folder where you installed, activate virtual environment. Next, use this command, python run.py, and execution provider is Qt. So copy this command and use it to launch. So this is the application interface. Here we can provide source image. This is the target image or video. Then there are few options. When you want to preview how it's going to look like, you can use the preview button. Starts the processing. And if you want to apply a live video, then you can use the live button. So I have some AI generated images. I will use them. Let's use this as a source image and this as a target image. So from here, I will use face enhancer. Keep audio is not important because this is just image to image conversion. And then I will click on preview. It's not necessary to preview it first. You can just simply start, but just to see how it looks. I will use the. So once the preview is generated, you will see a new preview window where you can see the output. And I think the model is not trained on specs. So that's why we see only little marks. But yeah, face looks pretty good. Now, if you are happy with the output, you can click on start. You can provide the folder location where you want to save, and you can change the file name. So we have done image to image. Save it. So once the processing is complete, we can see the output in the output folder. Now I have created a small video clip downloaded from Pexels. Let's try with image to video. So in case of video, I want to keep the same FPS. Then if there is audio, I want to keep audio. And since there is only one face, I will leave everything as it is. And I will first click on preview. Okay, in this case, specs is generated, but not very good. But that's fine. We just want to see how the face will look like. And after that, we can click on start. Let's wait for the processing to complete. So the processing is finished. It took only even less than a minute. Produce the output. Let's quickly review the results. Looking good. I'm gonna try this with image where we have multiple faces. So as a target, I have selected that image. So you have to enable many faces here. So the preview is generated and it looks very funny. And it works well. You can also use this with live camera. So just click on live. This looks good. Thank you.